Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances to whip up a healthy, delicious meal? Meet the Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo 15 Quart, a sleek, black countertop oven that's here to revolutionize your cooking game. This 5-in-1 powerhouse tackles everything from crispy air-fried fries to perfectly toasted bagels, all while saving you time, space, and effort. In this in-depth review, we'll dive into why this air fryer toaster oven combo is a must-have for busy home cooks, explore its standout features, and highlight how it solves everyday cooking challenges. Ready to transform your kitchen? Let's get cooking. Solving common cooking problems. The Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo addresses the frustrations of modern cooking head-on. Say goodbye to long preheating times, cluttered countertops, and unhealthy, oil-heavy meals. This versatile appliance combines the functionality of an air fryer, toaster, and oven into one compact unit, making it a game-changer for small kitchens or busy households. Whether you're struggling to cook quick, healthy meals or tired of unevenly cooked food, this countertop oven delivers crispy, golden results with up to 98% less oil. It's perfect for anyone who wants restaurant-quality meals without the hassle or guilt. Key features of the Chefman Air Fryer Toaster. Oven Combo, 5 cooking functions, air fry, bake, broil, toast, and bagel modes cover all your culinary needs, from crispy chicken wings to golden brown bagels with 5 customizable toast shades. 15 quart capacity, spacious enough to toast 4 slices of bread, bake a 10-inch frozen pizza, or cook family-sized meals, yet compact for small countertops. 450 degrees Fahrenheit, max temperature. Achieve perfect results with a temperature range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for everything from delicate pastries to sizzling roasts. Intuitive touchscreen controls. The digital control panel lets you easily set time, temperature, and cooking mode with a +2 minutes button for quick adjustments. Flip reminder. Alert. A built-in alert ensures evenly cooked meats by reminding you to flip halfway through, taking the guesswork out of cooking. Dishwasher-safe accessories includes 2 air fry baskets, a flat wire rack, and a baking pan drip tray, all non-stick and easy to clean for hassle-free maintenance. Benefits that make a difference. Why choose the Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo over other countertop ovens? Here are the top benefits that make it a standout. Healthier cooking. Made simple. Air fry your favorite foods like fries, wings, or veggies using 98% less oil, delivering crispy results without the extra calories. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence every day. Time-saving versatility. With 5 cooking functions and rapid air technology, you can whip up meals faster than a traditional oven. No preheating required. Perfect for busy weeknights or impromptu gatherings. Space-saving convenience. This all-in-one appliance eliminates the need for multiple gadgets, freeing up your countertop for meal prep while delivering professional-grade results. User-friendly experience. The intuitive touchscreen and flip reminder make cooking foolproof, even for beginners, while dishwasher-safe parts keep cleanup quick and easy. Consistent, delicious results. The high-speed convection system ensures even cooking, so every bite is perfectly crispy, tender, or toasted to your liking. Who is this air fryer toaster? Oven 4. The Chefman. Air fryer toaster oven combo is perfect for a wide range of home cooks. Busy professionals. If you're short on time but crave healthy, home-cooked meals, this appliance's quick cooking and easy controls are a lifesaver. Small households, ideal for singles, couples, or small families, the 15-quart capacity handles everyday meals without overwhelming your kitchen space. Health-conscious cooks. Those looking to cut down on oil without sacrificing flavor will love the air fry function's ability to create crispy, low-calorie dishes. Apartment dwellers. Its compact design fits perfectly in small kitchens, making it a great choice for anyone with limited counter space. Tech-savvy foodies. The digital touchscreen and smart features like the flip reminder appeal to those who love gadgets that simplify cooking. Why choose the Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo? This appliance isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Its ability to air fry, bake, broil, toast, and more in one compact unit saves you time, space, and money. The 15-quart capacity is ideal for small to medium households, while the intuitive controls and smart features make it accessible for all skill levels. Plus, its sleek black design adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Whether you're air frying crispy wings, baking a pizza, or toasting bagels for breakfast, the Chefman delivers consistent, delicious results every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.